Let's break down algae on concrete patio, removal and prevention. Here's what you need to know. Green algae stains concrete patios and reduces grip. Learn safe removal methods, prevention strategies, and when to call a professional contractor. Quick answer: remove algae with a pressure washer, 1500 to 2000 psi, or enzyme-based cleaner, then apply a concrete sealer to prevent regrowth for 24 to 36 months. DIY cleaning costs $50 to $150. Professional removal and sealing runs $350 to $600. North Carolina's humidity makes algae regrowth likely every 6 to 12 months without preventive measures. A green, slimy film spreading across your concrete patio is algae, and it's far more common in North Carolina than most homeowners realize. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. We've cleaned and restored hundreds of algae-stained patios throughout the state because the humid climate and frequent shade create ideal growing conditions for algae. Unlike most contractors, we operate on a pay-on-completion model. You pay nothing until the work is finished, and we fund all materials and labor up front. This post covers proven removal methods, prevention strategies that actually work, and cost ranges so you can decide whether to tackle this yourself or bring in professionals. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in patio installation, repair, and maintenance for homeowners throughout North Carolina. Algae growth on concrete surfaces, a common challenge in humid climates, requires timely removal to prevent staining and slip hazards. Prevention methods range from routine cleaning every 6 to 12 months to installing proper drainage or protective sealants, which typically cost $200 to $600 per application. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until work is finished, and the company funds all materials and labor up front. Professional patio cleaning and sealing can extend the life of your concrete by 10 to 15 years. Moving on to what is algae and why does it grow on concrete. Algae is a simple, single-celled or multicellular organism that thrives in moist environments with access to light and organic matter. On concrete, algae appears as a green, slimy film that clings to the surface and settles into pores and cracks. Unlike moss or lichen, algae has no root system. It's purely a photosynthetic organism that extracts nutrients from dust, pollen, and organic debris trapped on your patio. North Carolina's climate is a perfect incubator for algae growth. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.